delicious fruit dip. So it's something a little bit different and delicious if you want something sweet. And I'm just gonna get started to stop boring you. So it's gonna be 2 cups of macadamia nuts. So many benefits with macadamia nuts. They contain a rich dose of good fats and all those essential vitamins and minerals. If you don't want to use macadamia nuts, you could try blanched almonds or cashews. Really depends on what you're thinking about, but today I've got some macadamias and I love them, so I'm going to use those. 2 cups of macadamia nuts, and in here I've got 2 tablespoons of maple syrup as well. And then I'm going to add in some coconut milk. Again, almond milk, cashew milk, rice milk, whatever milk you want to use. I'm going to use about 1.5 cups for now and see how we go with that consistency, because I kind of want to make it a bit thick, so we're just playing a bit of a tried and tested thing right here. And then, actually I'm going to add in a bit more. That's good. And that contains some delicious vanilla extract as well. You could use vanilla paste or even just scrape the fresh vanilla beans. There's 1 teaspoon of that. And cinnamon, I love cinnamon. Again, I've got all these recipes on the website, so if you forget them in the video today, no need to worry, we've got them there for you. And make sure the lid is in place. I'm using the trusty old TNC 5200 today Vitamix. I've had mine for about 7 years now and haven't had an issue. So make sure that lid is in place, otherwise you will have an issue. All right, and I'm just gonna start on low and move up to high and see how we go. That didn't take long at all, and it's the perfect consistency. It's almost like a sweet hummus. That is delicious. I'm going to take that lid off. And now's the best part. I get to try it. Pour a bit out in here. Whee! That's my first incident. Alright, so I've got some fresh banana here. Again, you can use whatever fruit you like. Ooh, a bit messy. That is delicious. For any sweet tooth people out there, perfect. Happy fun, dude.